Welcome back to Jamming in There Repair. Today we're going to work on the Yamaha Riva because this is my daily scooter. This is the one I like to jump on and go. And, well, lately it's not happy. And I'm hoping this isn't a long series. It's just, let's see why she's not starting. So let's take a look here. Look at the key turned on. Bam, got power. Yep, we're on run. And we hit start. We got nothing. The headlight dims, but I'm not getting any go out of the starter. And this has been happening sporadically for a while now. And it's always started, but this time it hasn't. So I need to take the covers off, get into the starter here, figure out what in the heck is stopping this thing from starting, because I like riding this thing. I jump and go, and I've missed it. I like riding it more than I like riding the Vespa. Can't carry anything on the Vespa right now, but that's an upcoming project. A new toys are going on that thing. So, but let's see if we can get the old Riva fired up and running again. I don't remember how to take these off. All right. All right. I think I have to take this front cowling off here, just because the starter is right underneath here. Lift this up, slide it out. Try not to scratch everything. Done. Let's get you in here for a better look. So, this is your starter. Looks like it's held by two bolts in the back here. Let's take this, some sort of, oh, this is your air box intake here. Can we just pull that off? Yeah, you can just pull that off. Now you can see the starter going into the housing here. So these two screws back here, this should pull out of here. Hopefully I don't have to take out the exhaust. So let me see if I can get you set up in a better position. All right, so let's try the simple stuff first. Peel that back. Let's see if we have any juice getting to the starter. There's no juice getting to the starter. Then there's a relay issue or something. Hold on, gotta get my damn dog. Hey, what are you doing? Lay down here and knock it off. All right. So, I have the other end of my test light here plugged into ground. That's good. No power. Turn the key on real quick. Turn the key on. No power. Push the start button. No power. Huh. Let me double check my ground. No, my ground came off. Let's try that again. Huh, I'm not getting any power to the starter. So, this little light bulb should light up. Get nothing but a click from a relay. Alright. Alright, so right up here, it's hard for you to see, is the relay. So these two wires right here go down, one goes to the starter. So let me see if I have power at the relay. Right here. See, there's power at the relay. Power after the relay is dead. Okay. It's going to be impossible to do with one hand. So, sounds like this relay is the one that's clicking. If I put my finger on here and push the button, I can feel it click, click, click. Let me see if I can set you up here. Yeah. So this relay right here clicks. I can feel it. This I don't know what it is. This goes down to the starter. So this has juice on it. So this wire runs from here to the relay, I would think. Dang. Why did it to be easier than this? Let's take a closer look at that relay. It's just held in here with a rubber strap of some sort. Do a little probing here. Red should be hot. Okay, grounding blue-white triggers the relay. So there we have power. Okay. Power going into the relay. If I ground the blue and white, it triggers the relay. So that's what the starter button does. It hits a ground, I'm sure. Then I have a red wire out here, which I think once the relay trips, I should get a light. So I'm not getting juice out of the relay. So I'm going to guess that this relay is my issue. Doesn't look bad. But it should be passing current, and it is not doing that. So, yeah. Don't know if you can see that, can you? Yeah, you can see my gut. Right here I'm looking. Hit the brakes. Hit the start. Oh, see, the brakes trigger it hot. Okay. That's hot. So this one here can't hold and trigger. Now it's going to start. Huh. I don't know what I did. But I don't want to be sitting on the side of the road screwing around with this stuff. I hit this. Darn it. I don't like not knowing what I done did. Ha! Started right up. So this is the relay. I think I'm gonna go and see if I can find a new relay online and just replace it. Because I really like riding this thing around. So, I missed my Riva. Alright. Run, squeeze. Other than a weak battery, I haven't been running it. Okay, I guess I gotta buy me a relay. So here's what happened. I hit a pothole, my whole trunk shook, and the latch broke off. Here's the latch. It's supposed to hook in here like so. So that's not right. So I need to fix it. The hinge over here is coming apart. I need to address that. Just need to push that back in there, maybe glue it or something. I don't know. Let me see here if I can just wacky. Come on, baby. I know you're plastic. Open up that far. Come on, baby. That's just gonna vibrate right back out of there. Okay. Alright, so I think there's a fancy word for this. All I'm doing is smashing down the end so it can't slide out again. Take it off. Put a little turn on it, smash it again. Oh. Yeah. Now it can't slide out of there, it's stuck. This is exactly where I want it to be. Alright, so that's the hinge. Now I gotta do the latch. The latch is pretty easy. I'll just use one of these snap latches, whatever you call them, I don't know. So I'm going to mount it right here. Zip, zap, snap it down. I'll figure it out. There we go. Alright. Easy breezy. You take the little J hook, mount it up in here somewhere. Yep, that's just a wood screw I'm using. Beautiful. Wrong screw. Come on, Joe. There we go. Okay. He's actually screwing there pretty nicely. Measure that up, put it on there. I make a mark. And then you want to go right below that mark so you have a little tension on it. So this gets pulled down just a hair. Yeah, I know, I got the camera at just the right view for you. Yep, just a wood screw. That's exactly what I'm using. Oh yeah. A little tight. I'm okay with that. I'll drill your other hole. Yeah, baby. I like it. Doesn't rattle. Boom, easy access. All right. Now, let's get on the inside here, and you will see I have to deal with Mr. McSharpness here. Don't want those things poking you. Show you how I'm going to deal with that. Where's my hammer? Get yourself your safety glasses. Bam. And alignment pliers. Let me just cut them suckers right off of there. I think I can just snap them off. I know, you're thinking, Joe, there's still some left there. Yeah, that's not bad. All right. Don't forget to go up here. They'll get ya. See them up here? You can't see nothing. Right here. Nice. All right. Plastic bonder. See if any of this is any good. Oh, come on. Huh. Oh, like a big old fart. There it goes. That's done. The glue is there to help hold it, of course, so they don't vibrate out, but it puts a nice cushion on them so you don't cut yourself. Yeah, I like it. Good enough for me. All right, I got the new starter relay in. Just to be clear, I've been running this thing for about a week, and I have not had any problems, so I'll start her up here and make sure she still runs. So it's been working fine since I messed with that starter relay. I bought an extra one anyhow, just in case, you know. So I'll pop this off of here. Come on, baby. There we go. Put this one on here. All right, now we'll start. Okay. Good. So I'm concluding that it was a dirty contact on here somewhere was my problem. I'm going to keep this guy as a spare. I have a little trunk up front. Put it in the bag. If that one's giving me a problem, I have an extra. So, excellent. Cut that off the list of things to do. Alright, I'd like to take the Riva for a quick ride. See, it's been several weeks since I've driven it. And a couple of days since I last started it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and back this thing off the ramp. Alright, here we go. This is my 1993 Yamaha Riva 125. One of the things I don't like about this scooter is the mirrors are too close together. Okay, they ever since I took the extensions off, all I see is my arms in the rearview mirror, which is rather annoying. Beautiful day here in Ripon, Wisconsin. I think it's about 77 degrees outside, low humidity, beautiful partly sunny day. It's good to be out on the Yamaha. You know, this is really my go-getter. When I want to jump on a bike and go get something, this is the bike I like to be on. Because let's face it, I live in Ripon, Wisconsin. Everything's within 3 miles. So, how fast do you have to go? What do we have here? An old Cadillac? Yep. Baby. Yeah, she missed me. That's right. Give her all the beans. Catch up to that old Cadillac. That's right. Her down and that. Yeehaw! Who's having more fun? The 2 people in the Cadillac or me? I'm not sure. I think I'll go to Culver's. If you don't have a Culver's where you live, you are living in the wrong place. Alright. That was fun. I think the ride went well. But really, I want to go do some more. But I'm hungry. Now, the way I turn off this bike is I throw down the kickstand. See the kickstand light comes on. And then I turn off the key. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit like, hit subscribe. Bye-bye.
Are you done? Knock the shit off, honey.